Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Oscar and today we're going to be looking at a very important topic, which is allergen PAL or precautionary allergen labeling. You may know it as well as a alibi claim or may contain label. Essentially it's the same thing, but in this video I'm going to be referencing it to as PAL. So you've probably spotted those tiny PAL statements on food labels like may contain traces of peanuts or made in facilities that handles nuts. But what do they really mean? And when should businesses actually use them? So imagine you're scanning the shelves for a snack and you come across a packet of biscuits with a PAL label. Even though peanuts aren't listed in the ingredients, that label warns you about the possibility of cross contact during production. And in the UK, businesses should only apply a PAL when there is an avoidable risk of allergen cross-contact that can't be controlled through, for example, segregation, cleaning procedures, or because of the ingredient used. So, for example, your raw material supplier do have the PAL statements on their product, which means that you cannot really remove it from your finished products. There is a checklist from the Food Standards Agency that's worth a read. You can find the link in the description below. Auditors also want to see evidence justifying the use of the may contain statement. Yes, Food Standard also says that where justified risk-based assessment demonstrates that the nature of the production process is such that cross-contact from an allergen cannot be prevented, then a warning should be included on the label. Sometimes companies lack confidence in their controls and default to using PAL just to be on the safe side. As an auditor, I expect to see a risk assessment from a site demonstrating that cross-contact with allergens is unavoidable. However, if I audit your site and observe excellent controls, such as dedicated lines for allergen production, allergen scheduling, effective segregation, validated allergen cleaning, thorough activities, after each clean, yet you still use the PAL statement, I would question the necessity of the PAL, and this could potentially result in a non-conformance. However, through rigorous cleaning, testing, validation, segregation, companies should be confident in saying they've done everything to avoid cross-contact. So if you're seeking reassurance, consider increasing your testing and verification activities. This can give you the confidence to remove the PAL, unless it's necessary due to suppliers, for example, as mentioned earlier. And when using PAL, what's important as well that the label should specify which of the 14 major allergens might be present. For example, may contain peanuts instead of a generic may contain nuts. The specificity is crucial for consumer safety because it's not, it's not about us only. It's all about those allergy sufferers or hypersensitive people. So it's going down to the risk. Can you confidently control the risk of cross-contamination? And those what's on paper actually reflects what's happening in your factory. Because it's nice to have beautiful procedures, but we want to make sure that the procedures are followed on the shop floor. And in terms of legislation, it's pretty much straightforward. You must follow the Food Information Regulation 2014. This means providing accurate allergen information to consumers. And don't forget that the PAL should be prominently placed on the packaging so consumers don't have to hunt for it. Otherwise, it could potentially become a food safety issue because the consumer won't be able to see it directly when looking at the ingredient list. So thanks for watching. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And stay safe. And see you in the next one. Thanks.